Hello guys, this is K. Kumar. Today in this video I will tell basic concepts in the JavaScript. They are variables, arrays, functions, objects, loops. First one is variables. Stores data values in the memory. Use the var, let or const keywords to declare them. Var has function scope and while let and constant have block scope. Constant variable cannot be reassigned after initialization. Syntax for the variable is start with keyword called var and variable name and value. Example code for the variable is this one, and second one is arrays. It is ordered collection of elements accessed by index number. It is created by square bracket and the elements can be written in the square bracket. It can store elements of different array types. You can also check the length of the array using following syntax: array name dot length. Using this array type not length, you can check the length of the array. And syntax for the array is where array name and elements in the square bracket. Example code for the array. Third one is functions. It is reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. It is defined using the function keyword. It can take parameters and return values. Syntax for the functions: function keyword space function name and parameters in the brackets. You can write the code in this block and also return value. Example for the functions. Fourth one is objects. It is unordered collection of key value pairs using curly braces to create and access properties. Can store properties of different data types. Syntax for the objects. It start with var keyword, object name, and we can have so many properties in this code: property 1, property 2, and so on, and values also like that. Example code for the objects is this one. Fifth one is loops. It is used for control flow statements and that execute code repeatedly. Common types include for, while, and do while. It is used in iterative statements. For and while loops are entry control loops, which means condition will be given in the entry of the loops. Do while loop is exit control loop, which means condition will be given in the end of the loop. Syntax for the for loop is for keyword and initialization, condition, and updation. And remaining code will be in this curly brackets. And syntax for the while loop. First, we can start with the initialization of condition and the code to be executed in this part and updation. And third, syntax of the do while. Initialization, do code to be executed in this part and updation. In this, we can give the condition in the end of the loop. Example for the for loop. This for loop is this one. Example for the while loop is this one. It is start with var keyword and a variable name j is equal to 10 while j greater than it is a condition, and we can print the statement using console.log, and this is updation part. And third one is do while. It is start with var keyword and variable name k, which is equal which shows the value 20, and do keyword, and we can print the k using console.log, and it is decremented by -1, and condition is given in the while part. So let us move to last concept, that is import and export modules. Module is imported from external files through import statement. Example for the import statement, that is script, type of the module, and the message we written in here. And module with functions or variables can be stored in external files. There are two types of exports. They are named and default exports. Example for named exports, that is export constant name, so that name is constant throughout the code. You can read name of the person and age of the person. And next example for the default exports, and we written code like this for the default exports, which returns the name and age to the message. So thank you.